Hi car lovers, introducing the Hyundai Bayon, a masterpiece of compact design and functionality poised in its natural habitat. The Hyundai Bayon emerges as a fresh addition to Hyundai's crossover lineup, positioned as the brand's smallest offering yet packing a punch with its compact design and versatile features. With a starting price just above $27, it's an attractive option for those seeking a practical, crafted for the urban explorer. The Bayon's sleek lines and vibrant colors stand out in any cityscape. Gone are the days of mini-MPVs, as the Bayon exemplifies the trend towards crossover styling, drawing inspiration from its larger counterparts like the Kona and Tucson. Sporting a creased and assertive exterior, complete with roof rails and silver bumper accents, the Bayon exudes an adventurous vibe despite its front-wheel drive setup. The allure of the Bayon isn't just skin-deep. Its red hue symbolizes passion and energy. Under the hood lies a 1.0-liter three-cylinder turbo engine, complemented by a 48-volt hybrid system for added efficiency. Drivers can choose between 99 or 118 horsepower variants, paired with either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT automatic transmission. While it may lack the ruggedness of a true 4x4, the Bayon's hybrid technology delivers a balanced blend of performance and fuel economy. Experts rave about the Bayon's hybrid technology, merging efficiency with power for the modern driver. Inside, the Bayon inherits much of its interior styling from the acclaimed i20, boasting a feature-packed dashboard and modern amenities. Despite some shiny gray accents, the cabin feels well-built and spacious, offering ample room for passengers and cargo alike. Additionally, top-tier trims come equipped with a plethora of driver aids and safety features, enhancing overall comfort and peace of mind on the road. Maintenance is a breeze with the Bayon, designed with the user in mind for easy care and longevity. While the Bayon excels as a versatile and practical choice in the crossover segment, it may not necessarily stand out as a trailblazer in terms of innovation or distinctiveness. Competing against rivals like the Kia Stonic, VW T-Cross, Seat Arona, and Renault Captur, the Bayon holds its ground as a dependable option, appealing to those who prioritize functionality and affordability over flashy gimmicks. Every detail, including tire installation, has been thoughtfully engineered for ease and efficiency. Even in the quiet of a garage, the Bayon's presence is unmistakable, ready for the next adventure. In essence, the Hyundai Bayon emerges as a solid contender in the crossover arena, offering a well-rounded driving experience that caters to the needs of modern motorists without breaking the bank.